So, lesson number 2, get rid of the slave mindset. Do you understand when I say get rid of the slave mindset? Think about it. Ask yourself, what is that one thing that you're a slave of? What is that one thing that's holding you back? And it is the time that we should address that. If you are an alcoholic, if you are a drug addict, I'm sorry, you cannot be a hustler. Because when I say get rid of the slave mindset, it's about controlling your emotions. If you cannot control your emotions, because that's the only thing you can control, I'm sure you cannot, do anything. It sounds harsh, it's a harsh reality. If you cannot control your emotions, you cannot control anything. If you are being consumed by things that are around you, that means you are a slave of those things. Social media, if you are all the times, you have things to do. You are doing a job, you're taking care of your family, you're a nice person, but at the same time you're a slave of your phone all the times. What you're doing, swipe up, swipe up. The same time you could have invested by on developing a skill, but just because you have a slave mindset, you wasted your time on social media. I'm not anti-social media guy, okay? Do not take me wrong, but what are you doing with your time? Do you even know that on Instagram you have an option where you can check how much time you have spent on that application? Again, I'm saying I'm not against it, but if you're spending 3 hours on that, 4 hours a day by just swiping up, sharing people's video, let's find out how funny this video is. What did you get out of it? Why would you share? Your life is a mess. Why would you share a video of an individual and you're not getting anything out of it? That's a slave mindset right there, and there is nothing you can do about it. You got to come out of it. So how we can tackle this situation? I have a perfect solution. Why are you using social media? They are giving you a FOMO. Do you understand what I mean by saying FOMO? It's an abbreviation, and it stands for the fear of missing out. My friends are going on the mountains, they are traveling, they are actually having fun at the cafe, they're going to the nightclubs, and I'm at the office, I'm doing nothing. So let me see what kind of pictures they're posting, what kind of things they're doing. That is where your mindset comes into the play. If you have a strong mindset, if you can control your emotions, you can tell yourself it's okay. Let them go ahead, have fun. I do not need to compare myself. Now I'm giving you the solution. I'm transferring you from a normal human being to a hustler. Understand this, okay? And I want you to respect yourself. Okay, stop comparing yourself with others. Your journey is different. Their journey is different. You are not same. If somebody is sitting at the cafes having a cup of coffee, spending time having fun on the weekend, and you look at their photo on the Instagram and you're taken aback, you are a loser right there. I'm telling you right there on your face, okay? You need to stop comparing yourself with others. That's the number one reason as to why social media accounts, social media applications exist. If you do not give a damn about what people think of you, what people are doing, let them do. You should take care of the things that you have on your mind. You should better take care of the things that you need to do in your life. If you look at someone's funny video, that's not going to make you rich. That's not going to help you develop a skill. Does it benefit you? That's the question. If the answer is not, it's not going to benefit me by, it's not going to help me make money. If I'm looking at somebody's video, girl dancing in the video, doing nothing, just showing off assets. A person is probably doing something funny. That's something you need to come out of, okay, right now. At the same time, You need to stop comparing yourself, number one. Number two, how you can go ahead and come out of the slave mindset, how you can get rid of the slave mindset. You need to stop getting comfortable with your present situation, what situation you are in right now. Example, you're doing a job, okay, and that's perfect. There is no need for a change. There is no need for for initiatives. You don't have to do anything. That's smooth, and that smoothness is a road to failure. The smoothness is a road to do nothing. If you are too comfortable with your job, if you're too comfortable with your life, chances are that you would be end up doing absolutely nothing. You would be end up doing just paying bills. So you need to stop getting too comfortable with your present situation right now. It's all right. You're making incentives. It's okay. You're doing a good job. You don't have a problem with your boss. Everything is smooth at your office. But at the same time, if that job makes you too comfortable, then there is a mistake. You need to stop getting comfortable with your present situation. What is that one thing that you still need to learn? What is that one thing that still needs a lot of your hard work? What is that one thing that makes us go back to the lesson number one, which is take a first step. Once you have wrote down all the things, the skill set that you already have, the things that you can do that can make you money, right? After that, you need to stop spending time on the swipe up things. You need to start working on that skill set. Lesson number one, take a first step. Lesson number two, get rid of the slave mindset. Start controlling your emotions. If there is one thing you have to do, you have to do. No questions asked. If there is, take it as a duty, okay? Discipline is for the kids. You got to be a self-driven person. And that is why you need to get rid of the slave mindset. Do not be a slave of your Instagram account. Do not be a slave of your social media accounts. Do not be a slave of people sending you funny videos and you like it all the times. And that's the only thing you do. That's the only productive thing you do apart from doing your shittiest job. Okay? Start working on a skill set right now and stop wasting time. Stop being too comfortable with your present situation, and you need to stop comparing yourself with your colleagues, with the society, with the people you see around, with your enemies, friends, whoever the fuck you think that you want to compare yourself with. You need to stop it right now. Their journey is different, your journey is different.
I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay